Are you searching for the best portable washing machine? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best portable washing machine in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Portable washing machine 4.5L mini dehydratable dormitory student sock underwear. Product description: multifunction, integrated washing and draining, one machine for multiple purposes, soft clothes, used in conjunction with the draining program to gently separate the residual moisture of the clothes, intelligent 3-speed mode, to meet your different needs, you can choose according to the degree of clothing. Powerful function: the positive and negative pulsator simulates hand washing, 360 degrees. Gentle washing does not damage the clothes, strong decontamination and gentle rotation of the clothes, clean and do not hurt the clothes, much cleaner than hand washing. Reasonable design: the folding design does not take up space and can be easily stored in the living room, balcony and utility room with one click. Small and foldable, easy to carry. His service guarantee: if you encounter any problems during the purchase or use, please feel free to contact us. We will solve the problem for you as soon as possible.